Is the language of people who went and replaced peacefully? It's not the language. Even if it means replacement, a militia like Agwelek cannot able to replace people in Upper Nile. The people of Nuer of Nasir, they are right. You cannot bring a militia from another different community to be a militia. Those who don't believe that those are militia, you can prove it by a stand of Bolmel himself. Bolmel himself even believed that South Sudan does not have a national army. By bringing Ugandan to protect him. Because he knows he doesn't have militias. That is why he brings Ugandan to protect him and pay Ugandan. Because he knows he doesn't have militias. The militias that are in South Sudan belong to Salva Kiir, belong to Akolkur, belong to who, and belong to different people. So therefore, he can rely from foreign powers. That is a sign to tell you that Bolmel himself, he doesn't believe that there's national army in the country. And then who are you to come and tell us that these are national army? If your leadership cannot trust them, cannot believe them that these are national army, and borrow foreign troops to support him, might indicate there's no army in the country. These are militia. These are militia. And militia cannot claim himself, I am a government. Is it Dinka? That is a government. Just because Kir is a president, so the Dinka become a government. So I become today president tomorrow. My tribe will be called a government to dominate the whole South Sudan. What happened in Nasir is not only affecting the people of Nasir, it is affecting everywhere across South Sudan. And this one go back to the failure of 2018 peace agreement, the security arrangement. This is the result of the security arrangement, the effect of the failure of security arrangement. It is affecting everybody, not only in Nasir. You go to Nadapal, Dinka, soldiers, with the leadership. You go to Narus, Dinka, soldiers, with the leadership. You go to Capueta, the same. You go to Ikotos, the same. You go to Chugudum, the same. You go to Torit, the same. You go to Nemule, the same. You go to Magui, the same. You go to Juba itself, the same. You go to Ye, the same. You go to Kaya, the same. You go to Lanya, the same. You go to Keji, the same. You go to Maridi, Tombura, the same. Damsilagadi Western Bargasal, the same. Teji Biapana Elini, Lagadi bin Nasir, the same. The same people, the same command, calling themselves National Army. National Army to the people of South Sudan, against the people of South Sudan. No National Army who can really protect the country. If they are really National Army, why do they not go to the north and protect the people of South Sudan who are suffering in the north? If they are really National Army, why do they not challenge the government of Kenya that is trying to take Kilemi Triangle? If they are National Army, why do they not challenge the government of Uganda that is trying to take the area of Morobo? These are a national army, ethnic national army. I call them ethnic militia. Ethnic militia cannot be called national army. I support the stand of the people of Nasir and the unity of the people of Nuer. I would like to encourage you to stand very firm. Any gun to be picked from you must be over your dead body. Because this is a bullying. First of all, let me assure you. In 2016, 2006, the Suluk who are today crying and challenging some of us that why John Ochiang is speaking and supporting the Nuer. My dear fellow Suluk, in 2006, before the clubhouse and before the Facebook, we stood firm with you when your guns were collected and given to George Ator. George Ator collected your guns 2006 and give the gun to Apadang. And the Apadang used the gun for shooting you. We cry like the way today we cry the Nuer. That one was in SPLA 2000, SPLA forum. Before the clubhouse, before the Facebook. It was through email. I'm still having them now today. Because I didn't change my email. My email remained the same. So all these things I said, they are there. When the guns were collected from the Suluk, they were given to Ator. Ator gave the guns to the Apadang. Apadang used the gun for killing the Suluk. Did we not cry a Suluk? Suluk al-Bigulgari and John Ochiang Afin. Bihibu Sakla, John Ochiang Afin. Did we not cry about you? Did we not support you? So today, it happened to Nuer. You call some of us Afin because we are standing with the Nuer. And last time when we are standing with you, in the same case, you call us the good people. You call us good people. The guns were taken from Suluk, 2006, and given to Ator. And Ator gave the gun to the Apadang. And Apadang used the guns for shooting the Suluk. Was it not the same case as Suluk Kitum? House nigger. Today, you are collaborating with the same people who took your land, who want to also do the same thing, see, like it was done to you. And now we are standing with the Nuer people. If you collect the guns of Nuer, who is going to protect Nuer? First of all, you created people around Upper Nile all to be against Nuer. You created people around Upper Nile to be against Nuer, including even in Equatoria. You are even mobilizing Equatoria to be against Nuer. But we are still struggling here. We say no, these are innocent people. They should not be isolated. So the Dinka agenda, first of all, to isolate the Nuer. And then secondly, deal with the rest of the people. Then from there, control the country. In which the country will be purely a Jeng nation. And this is the reason why they refuse security arrangement. Because if they implement security arrangement, they will lose the power militarily. To dominate the country, you have to control the army. You have to control the economy. You have to control the policy of the country. It's a purely domination. And then you have to control a narration of the story. Today, in South Sudan, even those who are in the government, they don't have a civic political free space to discuss the affairs of the nation and the future of the country. Even in the parliament, there is no a free civic environment in which the people future of the nation. Majority of these people today depend on Clubhouse. Even most of those leaders are together with us here now in the room. Some of them come under different names. They are always with us in Clubhouse. It is only online, it is only on social media whereby the people of South Sudan have a free civic political space in which they can discuss. But in the country, no. Why? The Jing control a narration of the story and the freedom of speech in order for the people of South Sudan to discuss the future of their country. Control everything. But thank God for the social media. We are well connected and we become even more powerful than the propaganda of South Sudan. Michael McQuillan. Our people have benefited a lot from these rooms, including this one. My appeal to the people of Nuer, watch out the tactic that they have been always using against you. The slogan of Michelle Obama, in which they say, when they go high, we go low. When they go low, we go high. Because nobody can able to beat Nuer when you are violent. You cannot control Nuer by violence. This is the true thing I'm telling you. It's not because that I am a woman. That's because John Ochang is a woman and that I am not a woman. But this is the truth. Nobody can able to beat Nuer through violence. If you are pursuing peace to Nuer by violence, you will regret it. Unless you pursue peace by dialogue. And the Dinkas have been using that one. They knew very well they cannot able to overcome the Nuer. When the Nuer become mad, they have to go low. They will go low. They will go low to something called Walaya Jamaya. These things in Abamul Kira Sipta on Kalam De or Shuno. Because majority of the Nuer are liberal. They are easy to understand when people reason with them. The Nuer will come down. And then when the Nuer come down, the Dinka will strike. That is why they are taking Nuer in 2013 by surprise. Because they are using a policy of they go low, a slogan of when they go low higher, we go low. When they go low, they don't go low, that's for peace. They go low to lower your temperature. And when your temperature is low, you become weak. Because Ajal Bigulu anger, it depends on your emotion. When you are still having emotion, you will be brave and you can fight well. But once your emotion is lower down, your body also will not be fighting as strongly. And they have been using this to the Nuer over and over. When they realize that the Nuer are very, very angry, they will go down. Wala yakwana kalamde kida or shunu kida. Now, I am hearing that there's some negotiation going on. Like Yajama, don't do this. These are young boys. Please don't allow them to fight. This a lot of things. Please, boss man. We will find a peaceful solution. This is a lie. A peaceful solution, there's no peaceful solution. That is the way to numb you. Then after you become numb, then they strike back on you. I'm not actually encouraging violence. But this is the culture of Dinka that they are using to everybody, including to some of us. When you are so reactive, they will come to you in different ways. And then, when you believe that these people are peacefully, this is the time they are going to finish you. This is the time they are going to finish you. It is very difficult to deal with somebody who has the mentality of revenge. Somebody who handles the grudge in the heart. Somebody who is having a hatred, when you try to compare Dinka and Nuer, they are completely different. It's a bishakil Nuer. The raw God with the sajar, it will be muskula de enta. Open a new page and you move forward. But for the Dinka Mavi, you fight my Dinka, Lolisa Mali go fursa to a strike on you. Wo be gabil salam tak. Lakin Loli go fursa to a strike on you. The time you forget everything, he will beat you. This is one of the most dangerous things in culture of Dinka. And this does not make Dinka to be trusted, not only by Nuer, including some of us who knows their mind. Somebody of revenge is not easy. When you realize that you are very strong, wallahi salam ya sabia wallahi malaysia o shunu ya wallahi kalam de o shunu kida ina kula kwana o shunu kida. He tried to fool you. Then when you say malanzi ina kula kwana halas kalina ogot, that is the time they are going to strike on you. The time you are starting forgetting, it is the time they are going to strike on you. If the Dinka can handle the grudge of 1991 until the revenge in 2013, why can't they able to handle this? And this is the language that I'm telling to my people, the Equatorian. Whatever you have now with the Dinkas right now, they will strike back on you at any time. The day you forget, they will strike on you. The suffering of the people of Equatoria today, the mistreatment of our people today as Equatorian, is because the revenge of Kokwara. It's because of Kokwara. They went into the bush and they come back with the revenge of Kokwara. The killing of Nuer 2013 is because of 1991. The split of the movement of SPLA. That kind of a person, somebody of revenge, carrying the grudge on the heart, should not be trusted in the society. Even his friendship or his peace cannot be trusted. Without coming tomorrow, and this is one of the reasons I'm seeing really actually, it will cause a split in this country in the future. People call Rwanda. Rwanda is a clean country. Rwanda is not a country that is harboring revenge. Rwanda is a nation whereby people did a mistake and they sit down and they settle it and they open a new page and they move forward. That is why Rwanda is clean. That is why everybody, Rwanda is clean. The best country in Africa. The best country in Africa because there's no revenge. It's not governing by revenge. South Sudan is dirty because it is governing by people who believe in revenge. It's a way of controlling people. South Sudan is governing by people who use intimidation to control people, who use harassment, abuse, killing. That is why Carol Baga said, genocide has been used as a tool for nation building. South Sudan, never-ending war. Genocide, killing, has been used as a tool for building a new nation. South Sudan, never-ending war. Because of this, if you are using killing for building the nation, you are using revenge for building a nation, you are using harassment for building a nation, you are using intimidation for building a nation, do you think that that nation will have peace? That nation will never have peace. You kill me, I kill you tomorrow. Because you believe in it. You punch me one, I punch you one. You punch me two, I punch you two. You cannot punch me 3 times or 2 times, and then you said peace. No. You punch me two, I punch you one. I have to punch you another one. So that two by two, This is their life in South Sudan. Point 2, point 2. Point 3, point 3. These are the behaviors that the Dinka believe. Here, including in the clubhouse here. Ya jama, ana urilakum, ya junubin, manazal gasma fi junub Sudan, o white army. Ana bugul lakum ogib town quest. O salat fitena makum. Rabuna bisaritum. All these things will be clear. Mataram. You never go somewhere else to look somebody. Mataram. Ikalampari. You cannot continue provoking people most of the time. You came from the barrack, you shoot people. Last year, people come from the barrack and kill people in the market and burn the market. They should. This year, the same behavior. So why? Enough is enough. Well, and we are appealing to the rest of the people. This is the time of rewriting a history. Yes, we have liberated ourselves from the Arab together as South Sudanese. But now, this is the time we liberate ourselves from liberation. Liberate ourselves from liberation. We have to liberate ourselves from liberation. If we fail to liberate ourselves from liberation, and then we're not going to be anything. Because if you try to become a leader, Bossman cannot be our leader. He was nigger. You know, he was nigger. He cannot be our leader. Oh, John Ochang cannot be our leader. No. He didn't fight SPLA. We liberated him. So we have to liberate ourselves from the language of liberation. And then from there, South Sudan will be peacefully. You know? So that we can write the history of liberation. We liberate ourselves from Arab. And then the another liberation become a problem. We have to liberate ourselves from the language of liberation. So that we can be able to share South Sudan together. So that we can be able to question ourselves. Because now you cannot question Dinka. You want to question them, they will tell you no. We liberate you. No, you were nigger. You were fighting, you were stabbed us at the back. You were not in SPLA, we died in 1,000. We do like this. So Yajama, this kind of languages, that is why we are calling our people, all the strong voices of the people of Equatoria, should add their voices on me, on the top of my voice. Let us call our people to back out from all this. Because if our people going to stand with this rotten government, and then Dinka will come and say tomorrow, we defeat you. We defeat you. We need a defeat with a Dinka Asa. I know they cannot defeat Nuer. Who are they? These are not people who can fight. They're not the Kasmasari. Nasa parakdelo, nasa parakalgonus, madena sa best. Takisira sagi. That is why we say, let us see who will defeat who. It does not mean that we don't like or maybe we are inciting violence. No. Lano Maderin Bokura, Zotan Bijagule, Zotan, I defeat you. While using the help of Rwanda, of Uganda, while using the help of Equatorian, while using the help of Nuba, while using the help of Darfurian. Ya Junubin itum del kullu, itum Junubin del kullu. Muniama katulu Nuer. Gabal vitaun del kullu katulu Nuer. Muse Dinka barao. Agiga bonusu. And God even can prove me right. Itum kullu Junubin itum katalta Nuer. The cycle after 2013, lakadi fata re kullu. Salva Kiir kan ogi makum. Wetum Junubin kullu ogi ma Salva Kiir. O Salva Kiir estamilo yal vitaun. Sanbira shakil. Salva Kiir estamilo yal vitaun ya Junubin. Whether to Equatoria, whether to Luo, whether to Anyuak, whether to Murle, Salva Kiir estamilo yal vitaun to go and kill Nuer. Which tribe in South Sudan did not kill Nuer? Itum katalta Nuer. And again, this time you want to go and kill Nuer? This time again, you want to go and kill Nuer? I don't think so. You have to listen to my language. This time again, you want to go and kill Nuer again? In order for your sons and daughters to be used to go and fight for Salva Kiir? To kill Nuer? Nuer amo lekum sunu? Lekum biswaya ini. Nuer amo lekum sunu? Nuer yao sila arade btawun? Nuer yao nya kamarade btawun? Nuer yao jiba abgar bibele btawun? Nuer yao displace itum bi Uganda, bi Kenya, bi America, or the Dinka? How do you encourage your sons and daughters, your brothers, your cousins, to be involved in the fighting that the Dinka waging against the Nuer people and will be taken and fight? I will never cry this. If there's anybody from my community that is taken there willingly, and he is really willingly to go there and he died, I don't cry. Why should I cry a stupid person? Why should I cry somebody who is a stupid? Al-Haja, you are not being paid. You are not being respected. Neither even promoted. Shilita enak jesunu. Shilita jes rep soldier. You are not promoted. Kulu General Dinka. When General Vitagun. When you do bad General Vitagun. When you are just a slave soldier. Tiba. Arkabarabia. Until Yalla Betalimat Hamskida Adru. Adru. They have to regard it to Gulu Gari and to machine. Itum Katalta Nuer. Nagulekum. Kande Suluk. Kande Munu. Kullakum. Junubin Kullu. What are the 13 years they Kulu? 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Lahare Talan. Magari Stamilitum. Masarani Shakla. Bijabukura. Yalla. Tal. Yalla. Tal. Yes. Oh. Yalla tum Jeremina Kodo. You should know. The Shakla. Beni Nuer or Dinka. Let the Dinka face it. Let the Dinka face it. When the Dinka face it and they defeat Nuer, and then Nabigul Monjang, Wallahi tum Rojal say, Endakum Dikal Kebir Halish. You know? Endakum Dikal Kebir Halish. Okay, give me just a minute. Okay, sorry, bossman. So here, sincerely speaking, my brothers and sisters, bossmen, I love the Nuer people. One of the things just only I don't like from the Nuer, never listen to the language of they go high. When they go high, we go low. Understand that language very well. When they go high, we go low. When they go low, we go high. Understand that language. It means a lot. That is the way how always they are defeating you. They cannot defeat you by violence. They cannot defeat you by war. Never. Only the language of they go high, we go low. That is why you can now hear him talking, oh, well, the young boys here, don't use this young boys here. When you were killing people in Juba, did you spare them? You kill even the one in the stomach, the Seratu. A Jews, Jana Sakar 5 years, including Jata and Milan Joa. Did you know that this is a young boy? Now the young boy stand up to defend himself. No. Don't use these are young boys. These are young boys, Tamilo. But you killed the young boy last time. But now the young boy stand up, you want to numb him down. Then after numbing, when the young boy said, okay, Halasana got that, Yadla, you took with us. A strike on the head by secret. The halat. Ya jenge, anaguru lekum, ba giga sincerely. This 2025 is a dark year for you. Never. South Sudanese are now awakening. Nobody again to be fooled around with the language of saying, you are Kulu Junubin. Who doesn't know that we are Junubin? Maina Kulu Junubin. Munuma bar wina Junubin. Maina Kulu Junubin. Nabukun Junubin bitate awamat bitawun. Baderin. Ina lazim bi Junubin ba adala. Ita lazim bi respect agarabezol. Usbulena kalamat pari. Yajama, ana bugulu, sukran halis bossman. I'm so happy with your speech. Your speech, Mia. There's no need even for me to talk too much. I will just listen to you and to the people who come up. You have really said everything. And soon maybe update will come. There was somebody who called me on the ground that opened the room later at around maybe after 6 hours or after 8 hours. This morning, earlier this morning, around 4 o'clock. Open your room at around after 8 hours. But now there's no opening of the room again. Here's the room. Let everybody come here. Even that person, if he come, he will come here. If there's any information he can call and give me, I will give here. There's no need of opening that room. The room are room. We are all one. We are all one in suffering. We are all victims. So there's no need of going somewhere. We are here. Thank you. Go ahead. Thank you.